There was a man laying on the floor, and your police officers beat the out of him and killed him. I have it all on video camera.
But the Kern County Sheriff's Department took the unusual step of confiscating that video and at least one other cell phone video as evidence within hours of the incident. The sheriff says he wants to look at all the evidence objectively.
For us not to go get videos that are evidence, we wouldn't be doing a very good investigation.
You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sheriffs. The guy was laying on the floor, and 8 sheriffs ran up and started beating him up with sticks. The man is dead, laying right here, right now.
That man was 33-year-old David Silva. His family wants to know exactly what happened.
The videos are certainly the best evidence of the last moment of their son's life.
And they may prove whether or not the police overstepped their power, as some witnesses believe. In this surveillance video, the baton can be seen passing through the light several times.
It was devastating to see the cops out there, like, brutally beating this guy in the head.
This witness didn't want to show his face on camera for fear of retaliation by law enforcement.
Because we woke up to him screaming.
What did you hear the man on the ground screaming? What was he saying? Do you remember?
He was asking for help. He was screaming with pain, and he asked for help. He only got to ask for help like 3 times, and after that, I'm pretty sure he didn't recall like nothing, like, cause those hits were brutal, you know.
How many times did you see him get hit?
Honestly, I say about 7 before he dropped to the ground, and then they all proceed to get on him.
CNN obtained this surveillance video from the family's lawyer. It's difficult to tell what's happening, and that's why Cone is working to see that the cell phone evidence is preserved and that law enforcement is held accountable.
The only way they know how to deal with it is to essentially confiscate cell phones, and they'll deal with the constitutional issues down the line. This man was anything but a violent person. He was a very loving person, and the fact that he was brutally assaulted by these officers under color of law is what is most disturbing to his family.
Stephanie Elam, CNN, Bakersfield, California.